The BolaButty C27C Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful, crystal-clear sound with deep bass in a compact, portable design. With stable Bluetooth connectivity and long battery life, it's perfect for non-stop music anywhere you go. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BolaButty C27C Bluetooth speaker, USB-C charge cable, and user manual. How to pair. To connect your phone with the BolaButty C27C Bluetooth speaker, first turn on the speaker by pressing the power button. It will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode with a blinking light or sound indication. Now open Bluetooth settings on your phone and turn it on. Search for available devices and tap on BolaButty C27C to connect. Once paired successfully, you'll hear a confirmation sound, and now you can enjoy your music wirelessly with powerful sound and deep bass. Smart features? Powerful HD sound delivers clear, balanced audio with rich detail for an immersive listening experience. Deep bass adds extra punch to your music, making every beat feel stronger and more energetic. Bluetooth 5.3. Connectivity ensures fast pairing, stable wireless connection, and smooth audio streaming with minimal lag. It provides improved range and efficiency so you can enjoy uninterrupted music without dropouts. Long battery life lets you enjoy hours of continuous music playback without frequent charging. It's perfect for travel, outdoor activities, and parties, keeping the music going all day. IPX5. Water resistance protects the speaker from splashes, sweat, and light rain during outdoor use. It makes it a reliable choice for beach trips, poolside fun, and everyday outdoor listening. LED light effects add a vibrant, colorful glow that enhances your music and creates a party atmosphere. TWS pairing lets you connect two speakers wirelessly for louder, true stereo sound experience. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BolaButty C27C Bluetooth speaker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BolaButty C27C Bluetooth speaker. See you at the next one.